I didn't know you were there. I hope you're having a great day. Because today we're reading How I Became a Pirate, written by Belinda Long and illustrated by David Shannon. I love the pictures here, how they drew it. Now sit down, get comfortable, sit crisscross applesauce, and let's read, because reading is spectacular. How I Became a Pirate. I love the pictures.
I thought that was just fun.
Pirates have great teeth, and they have any teeth at all. I know about pirates because one day, when I was at the beach building a sandcastle and minding my own business, a pirate ship sailed into view. I knew what it was because its flag had a golden crossbones on it. And because I could hear the pirates singing, "Hey ho, blow the men down," they were, "Hey ho, blow the men down," they were a little off. I love the pictures right here. That's the sandcastle. That's the boat with the crossbones on the flag.
Now what you could do is, after you show what it is, you could hold it closer to the camera so the kids could see the picture really good.
But he was busy setting up the beach umbrella. I tried to tell Mom, but she was busy slathering my baby sister's sunblock. So I went back to my sandcastle, but I kept an eye on the pirates. By then, they were rowing to shore. And here's him trying to tell his dad. There's his dad trying to, the umbrella, the beach umbrella